I know it's been forever since I've posted anything on anywhere, but today I am going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. This is just what is easy for me, especially because my eyebrows already have a good enough shape. I just want to make them fuller, I guess. So I'm just brushing them out with the spoolie. Now I'm going in and I'm going to use the other end of my eyebrow pencil and just fill in the end. I only do the ends because the ends are what need it the most. Those are the thinnest part of my eyebrows. So I just go in and lightly do some little strokes on the ends of those. And the eyebrow pencil I am using is the e.l.f. pencil. I believe it's like $2. So I mean, if you're on a budget, girl, go get you one of them. So then I'm going to go in with the spoolie one more time and just make sure everything's brushed out. Then I'm going in with an angled brush and my concealer. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer in number 8, I believe. And I'm just going to carve out my brows. I haven't waxed my brows in a while, so I do have some hairs that are a little everywhere. So I'm just going in and making sure those hairs don't peep through my makeup or anything. And I'm sorry that it is a little bit out of frame, but that's just how iMovie works on this iPad of mine. It doesn't capture everything that I filmed on my camera. So I went in and I, buffed out the concealer so it wasn't so thick and it looked natural. So I'm just going in with my spoolie once again and brushing out those hairs a little bit. But that is pretty much it. It's super quick, super simple. It took me about 7 minutes to film this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Bye. Push out your back, put your butt in it. Wanna love you, but I do not wanna commit. So I then switch your